So today we will going to discuss about a topic regarding the common name and the scientific name of the medicinal substance which are used in both in the medical field, which are the plant sources we take, and their common name here I read, and here the name of the scientific name. Here I write the about scientific name. Here the scientific names, and here the common name. These things are written in, and the parts and classes only I take one, because there is so much insufficiency of things are means the space is shortage in this page, so that I only take only this scientific name and a common name. After this we take a video also of this also common name and scientific, including with parts and their classes. Okay, let's start. What is our topic now? That is our first common name. We take ginger, whose scientific name is Gingiber officinale. OFFICINALE. This space is so much insufficiency, that's why I written in that squeeze manner, so you can understand. So I spelling it. Then white cedar. It is not arbor. Here I write Thuja occidentalis. Here this is not only I take the ginger roots is used in the parts of a medicinal preparation. Other common name and their parts are not written because of the space is squeezed, that's why. And after this video we also discuss in the same common name with the parts and the classes in next video. Okay, let's start. This is the white cedar whose scientific name is Thuja occidentalis. Then bacha or sweet flag, which scientific name is Acorus calamus. Then pomela or batapi, whose scientific name is Citrus maxima. Then French marigold, whose scientific name is Targus patula or patula, anything you can spell it. Then Bermuda grass or Bermuda grass, which is known as Cyanodactylon. This is a D. Then hibiscus rosa. This is China rose, whose scientific name is hibiscus rosinensis. Then Hadajoda or its scientific name is Cytisus quadrangularis. Then Horodo, whose scientific name is Terminalia cebula or Chebula. Then Kantakari, whose scientific name is Solanum virginum. So here I written in the capital letter, but the scientific name is written as thus I write. That is, if I take this pudina or mint, whose scientific name is Mentha spicata, whose scientific name is written, I also but I also mention that Mentha, MENTHA, first genus capital letter, then species also written in the small letter Tika. So this is the example how the name was written. Okay, so but here I only written in capital letter for your clear view or clear understanding, but this is not written in that manner in your exam. Please have a notice on that. Then pudina we discussed. Then pomegranate, which is Punica grantum. Bada ilachi, which is Amonum subulantum. Cow plant or gurmur, common name. Scientific name is Gymnema siliteria. Then kuch tree, whose scientific name is Acacia catechu. Then Bringaraj, whose scientific name is Eclipta prostata. Then clove, which common name, its scientific name is Syzygium aromaticum. Neem, its scientific name is Azadirachta indica. Coffee plant, its scientific name is Coffea arabica. Then rosemary. Here my mind is changed and I write in that manner because there is a space occur and you can write easily. That's why I read in that manner. One is here and another next opposite is here. Okay. Rosemary, which is known as saliva, rosmarinus, mutha grass, which is known as Cyperus rotundus. And then here alternatively, that is what I read, that is Gyrata kumari or aloe vera, which scientific name is Aloe barbadensis. Then bhui neem or kalmek, which scientific name is Androcapis paniculata. Catecha, which scientific name is Senegalia catechu. So this same manner, that is here the common name and here the scientific name. Okay. Then you can see here that Nilgiri, which scientific name is Eucalyptus. So here I read, then here I also scientific name I written because of a clear view and the space will be found so that we use it. Then cotton plant, which scientific name is Gossypium. Insulin plant, which scientific name is Chamaecotus. Chamaecotus Gossypium. Sorry, spelling is so error. You can spell it. I leave it. Then Pasaruni, which scientific name is Paederia foetida. Paederia foetida. Paederiafoetida. Pistia badam or Pistia badam, that is Pistacia vera brahmajasti common name, which scientific name is Chelodrenum serratum. Then camphora plant, which scientific name is Cinnamomum camphora. Kalmuria or Bisalcoroni, which scientific name is Tridax procumbens. Lemon, citrus, scientific name oleander, its scientific name is Nerium oleander. Then betel nut, which scientific name is Areca catechu. Tulsi, which scientific name is Ocimum santum. Dayana, which scientific name is Artemisia vulgaris. Artemisia Artemisia vulgaris. Anything you can spell in the Google. Sorry. Tejpatra, whose scientific name is Cinnamomum tamala. These are so much critical, so the spelling error can be possible. So please you go your book or anything else net so to provide a good pronunciation. Then crab's eye, which is Arbus precotorius. Henna, whose scientific name is Lawsonia inmaris. Mango, Mangifera indica. Jackfruit, whose scientific name is Artocarpus heterophyllus. Long pepper, that is Piperlingum Sarpagandha, whose scientific name is Raudhuria serpentina. Then Google, that is Comifera vigiti. Hing or Hingu, that is Ferula asafoetida. Myth or curry leaf, which scientific name is Murraya Koengii. Then here also Kamaraja, whose scientific name is Helminthostachiasis jelinka. Here species I written above because there is no space. Then Kunduri, whose scientific name is Coquina grandis. Tea, scientific name is Camellia sinensis. Potato tuber, whose scientific name is Solanum tuberosum. Ashwastha, whose scientific name is Ficus religiosa. Malabar nut, whose scientific name is Justicia arthropoda. Vinella cactus, whose scientific name is Cactus grandiferus. Amla, whose scientific name is Implica officinalis. Guduchi, whose scientific name is Tinospora cardiofolia. Kanchana, whose scientific name is Bahuinea. Varigata, Verigata, Varigata. That's thing. Then Majurina, whose scientific name is Cannabis sativa. Indian copper leaf, whose scientific name is Acalypha indica. Sabina juniper, whose scientific name is Juniper sabina. Green cardamom, which is green cardamom. These things is written so consecutively, but I written some space. This is not present, so that this spelling will be green cardamom. That is Elateria cardamom. Castor, whose Elettaria Cardamum. That's thing. Then castor, whose scientific name is Ricinus communicus. Bahada, whose scientific name is Terminalia bellerica RICA. Then white sandalwood, which is Santalum album. Then Asoka, which is Saroka Asoka. Then Oroco, that is Calotropis gingertia. Nutmeg, that is Myasterica fragrans. Banana tree, which is Ficus bengalensis. Common male fern, which is known as Dipteris flerixmus. Poison nut, which is known as Nox vomica. Last two, that is Datura stramnum, bell, eagle folia, FOLIA. So this is in the scientific form manner. Okay, thank you. I hope you understand. If spelling mistake is occur, please try to correct it.